I got this question from Sir David Tinega, and he asked me on Twitter, at the core, what is Nabo Capital? Simply putting it, I'm in the business of making people rich. That's what we do here at Nabo Capital. And you have different kinds of investors who come to us. The investors who come to us and they say, Piers, I do not know exactly what I want to do with my money, but I am tired of my money being idle in the bank or earning almost nothing in the bank. And those kind of investors, we always help them to go into our money market account, which today it is earning 11.23%, which is better than any bank deposit that you can get. The other kinds of investors who come to us and they say, I want the best deal. Which are the best deals in the continent? And that's our core job. We are always there hunting for the best deals in the continent. And these kinds of investors, we show them a deal by deal basis and they invest in them, and we hold their hands on how to invest in those deals. The other kinds of investors who come to us and they say, you know what, I don't want to be bothered with all these things of investing. I don't have the time. I just want to give you my money and you manage for me and you grow my money. And those kinds of investors, we normally put them in a product that is called segregated, or some of them are what you call pooled funds, and we help those investors to manage their money while they do their day-to-day things. That's what we do here at Nabo Capital, simply making people and institutions rich.